With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, now this question says that 1 mole of N2O4 gas at 300 Kelvin is kept in a closed container under 1 atm. It is heated to 600 Kelvin. When 20% by mass of N2O4 gas decomposes to NO2, the resultant pressure is. So we have to tell the resultant pressure after 20% of the N2O4 is decomposed to NO2. So first of all, let us write the reaction itself. So we know that we have N2O4 gaseous getting converted to basically 2NO2. So this is the reaction, this is the equilibrium reaction. So now it is saying that initially we have 1 mole of N2O4. So initially we have 1 mole of N2O. After time t equal to t, we know that this will be 1 minus x, and over here we will have 2x because we have 2 moles of NO2. Now it has been given that N2O4 has been decomposed by 20% by mass. So we know that 20% will be, we have to just substitute the value of x as 20%, that is 20 by 100 or 0.2. So I can rewrite this as 1 minus 0.2, and over here it will be 2 into 0.2, that is 0.4. So at time t equal to t, we will have 1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8 moles of N2O4 and 0.4 moles of NO2. So this is the condition at this is the condition when 20% of N2O4 has been decomposed. So now we have to find the pressure at this condition. So we know that, you know, a very famous equation, that is PV is equals to nRT. So over here we know that this pressure is changing, that is what we have to find out. Obviously volume is constant, temperature is changing, number of moles is also changing. We just now saw that number of moles is changing over here. R is a constant, it's a universal gas constant. So these three things are constant. Basically these two things are constant, not three. Temperature is not constant. So let me write PV nRT. Over here this R and V are constant. So I can rewrite this as P upon NT as a constant, or I can rewrite as P1 N1 T1 to be equal to P2 N2 T2, where this P1 N1 T1 are pressure, number of moles and temperature at the initial conditions, and P2 N2 T2 is at the t equal to t condition. So this is what it is. Now we have to just substitute the values and find out P2, that is the resultant pressure. So let me write the value. So P1, that is the initial pressure, has been given to us as 1 atmosphere. So P1 is 1 atmosphere, N1 is 1 mole, and temperature initially, that is T1, was given to us as 300 Kelvin. P2 is something that we have to find out. N2, that is the mole afterwards, so that is 0.8 plus 0.4. So that will be 0.8 plus 0.4, which is 1.2. So N2 will be 1.2 and temperature 2 is 600 Kelvin. So now let me substitute the values and find out P2. So this will be 1 upon 1 into 300 to be equal to P2 upon 1.2 into 600. So on solving this, we get the value of P2. Let me write. P2 comes out to be 2.4 atm. So from here I can write that 2.4 is correct, that is option B is the correct answer. So with this we complete the entire solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.